It's been a long day. Amendment Bill number 2 for another submission. Tina.
So, take the item as read. There's just, I suppose, a couple of options there. Whether you wanted to prepare an individual submission from council, whether you're happy to go on the back of the submission by Local Government New Zealand, and then the only bit of clarification, if you do want to support the LGNZ submission, is around the donations and whether you thought 1,000 should stay or it should be increased to the 1,500.
What's our yearly fee towards?
It's about 64,000, I think.
Yeah, doesn't that incorporate things like this that they advocate on?
Yep, that's right, and we can choose to do that, or if we wanted to make our own, then we could do that. So,
have they indicated? I know when the local government reformats were going on, they were saying that every council should do their own submission as well. Are they saying that this year? Have they given any indication?
Yeah, on 16/3 they've suggested what their submission would be, and especially in relation to the representation arrangements and anonymous donations. And so their only question to councils is just some indication from councils around the amount of that donation, whether it should remain at 1,000 or up to 1,500.
Well, I'm happy. I mean, advice from management. I mean, I'm happy with local government doing the submission.
So that's the suggested resolution, that you support the submission to the Local Electoral Amendment Act as outlined in the Local Government New Zealand letter, and then you might not want to make any comment on the donation, or you might want to.
Oh yeah, Councillor William?
Oh, I'm happy to move both parts of the resolution.
You want to make as well as the...
So is it 1,000 or 1,500?
The 1,500 is what they're proposing, isn't it? Or is it just
they're
that
just asking the question. At the moment it's
well, I don't.
1,000 and...
Including GST, I think it's fine. 1,500 I suggest, but...
Councillor Cliff? Yeah. Okay, then you got that. So we've got a mover and a seconder. All those in favour? Aye. Those against? Carried.